Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So wanted to give you an update today on what I've been doing for the second floor. So the second floor was a little bit wobbly the last time I was up there, and I needed to kind of take care of that issue and make sure that it's secure. I'm going to be loading some furniture and whatever else is going to go up there, so I need to really make sure that it feels safe and that it can carry a decent amount of weight. So let me show you what I did. I put these guys in using this 2 1/4 inch tubing, and then sleeved it over this 2 inch tubing, and then used that 2 1/4 again on the foot. And the reason I did this was simply because I was planning to make like a T section, just literally cut that, weld it on like a T, and then have 2 pins into the concrete. And I realized I don't want a tripping hazard, so I did it in this way, where I basically welded a flat little piece of metal and then capped it and drilled a hole in the inside. So that's what I ended up making this very secure mount right here, and just put a couple screws to secure that it doesn't slip out or whatever. So that's kind of important, and it makes it much more finished. And it looks consistent and it's strong, and that's what is important. So let me show you a little bit about upstairs. And you can see that it's much more secure. When I feel like I'm walking on it, I don't feel this bounce. So, and I'm feeling pretty good, standing up here. Doesn't feel too sketch now. Got these little safety ropes so I don't fall off by accident. Pretty much. So the roof is going to be consistent of the same tile system, and I've been waiting for those for like almost a month now. It's just one of those things, and then now we hit the holidays, so now a couple more weeks, but I'm going to do what I can to finish off the ribs here. So what I mean by ribs, I mean this 2 inch galvanized post or steel square tubing, and I need to put 3 of them, just like the building inside. So I'll put 1 in the middle, 1 on the 2 sides, and that's roughly like 51 inches, I believe. So very similar to what the shop has. So there's going to be a post mounted here, somewhere in the middle over there where the dash is, and then right here as well. And those pieces will connect to this 2x4. I'm going to get to work again. I'm going to try to be cutting and welding the post roughly today, see if I can get at least one side done. So time to get to work. Hey guys, you joined me up here on a windy day, and you can see here I've done the panels now, and I basically have 4 of them up and halfway screwed, like the top, so I can reach. And it's a little noisy, sorry, but you can see that the panels are kind of like dangling in the wind over there. Not unsupported, they're screwed down, so this has like 8 or 10 screws in it so far. I just can't reach physically to actually put it, so I have to go to the outside with the ladder and then finish drilling it. But the alignment is done, which is the hardest part, and pretty much what's left to finish this is just the panels, because the whole structure is pretty much done. What I need to do next is I've measured every post and the distance from this starting point over, and gave myself some measurements along this area here, translated that to this panel, and you can see there, and there, made the dots, and then connected the dots from the corner to where I'm going to be trimming down here. That's my task today, is to get that panel done. And when it comes to the back here, I mean, if you look, you get to see a nice view of the mountains, and I think that's pretty awesome in my opinion. It'll definitely be nice to see something, you know, some nature when you're actually working on the project and sanding away or whatever. So I think I'm gonna, you know, think about it and try to figure it out. But for now, I'm gonna get to cutting to this panel and get to work. Yo, what's up guys? So you're catching up with me during the night, and you see I have the panels all laid out. Got the back wall installed, got these panels up and ready and cleaned up for paint. So let's go check that out. So here's the paint, guys. I tried to match the blue that I have done on the racks here, and it's similar to the building that has the trim on the edges. It's a semi-gloss. The cap that I tried to match to was called Royal Blue, or True Blue, sorry. So got that opened up. I got a reducer right here. So basically put the two together, mix it up, and then I'm going to use this gun right here. It's an automotive gun that I purchased before. It's actually going to be the first time that I'm using it. And the needle is, by the way, a 2.0. Let's see if we can focus in there. Gonna be my main primer gun, so that's why I decided to, you know, actually get this paint and actually paint the panels. And so I have 4 in here. And if we step inside, I got 2 more here. So the plan is I'm going to be painting them together. So that's 6 panels in total that I can get done at one time. And I'm going to need 12 to 14 to cover the roof, as you see that it's tented up there at the moment. And what's nice is too is that since they're 12 feet, I'm going to be overlaying them over each other. So it'll be one layer would cross over into the middle. So the middle will cross over, and then I'll put the other panel from here past the middle, and in the middle they will overlap therefore, you know, just creating a nice little seal. I think I'm on the home stretch now. A little bit of more effort to get these panels painted, but it's going to be totally worth it. And, you know, maybe I'll touch this up too now that I'm looking at the lift. Who knows? And hopefully everything goes smoothly. I think this is going to be like shooting primer, so it shouldn't be too difficult. But I never shot this like outdoor like house paint. So I'm going to be seeing what happens, and hopefully it works out.